So what we're doing here is we're doing the very light in pencil drawing of the monument. And we're actually using points at different places in the composition where we will connect our dots. Perfect. Yep. Perfectly straight lines going from bottom to top.
All of them.
All four of the rocks. Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little less water, and we're going to do that area down to the left, and we're going to pull down.
At the skirt, all the way to the skirt. Okay.
Yes. And don't go too far down on the page.
Okay.
And let it touch the other colors up there.
Color, okay.
Let it touch. Good. Good. Perfect. And less, you know, make it like pointing, you know, it's coming to a point, so less and less lines straight. There you go. There you go. Okay, now let's get into another color. And don't forget to let the paper speak from time to time. Ah, yes. There you go. Nice. And nice spaces. I love the spaces that you're leaving. That's very cool.
All the way up top?
Yep. Okay. But don't forget to leave quite a bit on the right open.
On the right open of this thing.
Yes, of each monument part. Yeah, good. A little more that color on the top. And yep. And then come into these spaces and pull them in a bit more because, yeah, good. And a little bit more across there. Yeah, but kind of observe, see. Yeah, observe what you're seeing up ahead of you there. And we want to kind of blend here because it's maybe too obvious. I mean, between these two, because it's starting to look more like a piece of candy, right?
That fine or?
Yeah, that's a really pretty lime green, don't you think? Okay, so jump right in and fill most of that
this
sort of V shape. Yeah.
Okay, and are we blotching?
Yeah, we are. You don't want to cover all of that red, though.
Okay.
You want to leave some of that open. There you go. And quickly move into a dark green so these colors will blend. So fan them like, you know, like at an angle instead of straight all the way. Yeah, that's it. You got it. Okay, you've got the left side outlined with the heavy pen. Now do the ground line between here and here. Heavier, much heavier. Use it strongly. Okay, good. There you go. It's
underneath or on top?
On top.
Okay.
There. Now, also do a little bit of just at the outside edges. I mean, what I mean is, let me just jump in. So it's the bushes.
Oh,
it's that look.
Love it.
You got the look. So turn it around so you got it. Yeah. And not all the way to the right because that's going to be finer.
Okay.
So do a little bit up here and here.
Just around the green.
Around a little higher into the rock. Yep, good. Same with this one. And a little bit here. Good. Stop. And now get your other pen.
All the way out here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, finish the right sides of the bushes with the finer pen.
Oh, are we doing this side?
Yep. And a little bit right in here. And you need something going on in here too, bush-wise. Just, yep, think bush. Just think bush. And you need something going on here.
Okay, down.
Along that line pretty much. And bring it down into the white.
Okay.
Down in here. There you go. And do the same. Actually bring
This
line to this line,
okay,
because it's behind it. There you go. Okay.
Oh,
No,
no.
go straight across. And the month and the year.
On the bottom or
I would do it to the upper of the name.
upper?
Just upper
right
and
here.
close. Yep.
Okay. Yay! I love it!